Welcome back to the channel, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a revolutionary vehicle that's sure to turn heads on the road, the 2025 Tricycle Champer. This unique tricycle blends innovative design, cutting-edge technology, and eco-friendly features, making it a standout option for urban commuting and beyond. At first glance, the Champer's sleek, aerodynamic shape is captivating. With its lightweight frame and striking aesthetics, it embodies modern engineering while retaining a hint of retro charm. Designed for both style and functionality, the Tricycle is constructed from high-strength materials, ensuring durability without compromising on weight. This means better efficiency and handling as you navigate through city streets or take a leisurely ride through the park. Now, let's talk about what powers this remarkable vehicle. The 2025 Champer is equipped with an advanced electric motor, delivering a smooth and powerful ride. With a top speed of 30 miles per hour and a range of up to 75 miles on a single charge, it's perfect for daily commutes or weekend adventures. The charging system is fast and convenient, allowing you to plug in at home or utilize public charging stations. One of the standout features of the Champer is its smart technology integration. The digital dashboard offers real-time information on speed, battery life, and navigation. You can also connect your smartphone to access music calls and even navigation apps. Safety is paramount, and the Champer comes with advanced features like anti-lock braking systems, LED lights for visibility, and a sturdy roll cage designed to protect you in the event of an accident. Comfort has not been overlooked either. The ergonomic seating and adjustable handlebars make it a joy to ride, whether you're in it for the long haul or just a quick jaunt. Plus, the spacious cargo area allows for storage of essentials, making it practical for errands or trips. In terms of sustainability, the Champer truly shines. Its electric powertrain not only reduces carbon emissions but also provides a cost-effective alternative to traditional vehicles. Say goodbye to expensive fuel costs and hello to a greener future. So, whether you're a commuter looking for an efficient way to get around or an adventurer eager to explore, the 2025 Tricycle Champer might just be the perfect fit. With its combination of style, technology, and sustainability, it's poised to redefine personal transportation. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content on the latest automotive innovations. See you next time.